Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Instagram crashing on Android. Now this is my Instagram app. If yours is not this like this, if it's crashing, this is what you have to do. The first thing you have to do is to go out from your Instagram. Now the next thing is to click on the network. Make sure your network is stable. You can switch from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi, or from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data. You can even turn on the airplane for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It will help stop every bug or glitches in the app at that particular point in time. The next thing you can do is to search for your Instagram from your home page. Now click steadily on it, click on app info. So from this section, all you have to do is click on storage and cache. You're going to clear your cache. You can even clear your storage, but have it in mind that if you clear your storage, you have to re-log into the Instagram app. The next thing you have to do is to go back, click on force stop. When you click on force stop, it stops every misbehavior in the app at that particular point in time. The next thing you can do is to go back. Now the next thing you can do here is to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. So you just search for Instagram from your search bar, type in Instagram. So right here on my Instagram, just search for it. Now you just make sure your Instagram is updated just this way mine is. If yours shows update, you just have to click on the update option in order to update it to the latest version. The next thing you can do from here is to restart your phone. Click steadily on the power button and click on the restart option. Confirm you want to restart your phone and restart your phone. If this issue still continues, you can just click steadily on the Instagram app from your home page, click on the uninstall option, uninstall Instagram, go back to your Play Store and reinstall it to your device. I believe with this you'll be able to fix Instagram crashing on Android. If this video was helpful, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, and do not forget to ask all related questions to this video on the comment section. Thanks for watching.